would love to be in that airplane right now. I know that is awesome.
Yeah.
Have I said that earlier, Kate?
Yes.
She said, that's dangerous. That's dangerous to be in that plane? You don't think it will be fun? You'll be riding right through them. Nah, them somebody personal fireworks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they over there playing.
Yeah, there's our personal
Yeah, them my personal fireworks. They got them from Arizona, like Sam did. Sam got a duffel bag full of them at her house.
Shut up. There's something going off over there.
Where?
Way over. I don't know if that's LaFoya or what. You see one periodically.
Oh. Those are probably the personal fireworks.
It's every voice and sing.
Yes, yes. I did not do. Whoa! Oh my God! That's just.
Yeah!
Oh. God, that scared the mess out of me.
California, baby one. Let us march on till victory is won. Is that the Marine Corps? That right there is he's playing on the radio.
I don't know.
I need whoever that is over there to keep talking.
Oh, good. You guys are probably from my mom.
That's the Marine Corps right there. Just think if you run a point out a bridge,
You get a better view of it.
you couldn't stop on the bridge, though.
Ah.
Second day of July, 1776, it ought to be celebrated by pomp and parade, with shows and games, sports, bells, bonfires, and illuminations from one end of this continent to the other from this time forward.
They're getting Ray Charles now.
How many do they have? Woo!
That's how you turned up the fireworks display, boy.
Whoa.
No, that has water there. Ain't nobody standing there. That's a water ride. And they put it right in the middle of the street. They did run for that. Here come the car.
Oh. So.
Sam still got some fireworks. We gonna go for we get
So. Is it just gonna keep doing that? Or?
Yeah, it ain't shot up in the air.
That might be a dud.
Yep.
So if it's a dud, shouldn't people like stay back from those?
Their kid is a say that like this car trying to get up the hill. Watch it jump through that right to get on the street.
That was right.
They was dead wrong for that one.
They were dead wrong.
What they do is sit there. It ain't that they can do.
Not to the burn out.
Heck, no, I wouldn't go around if you just stay looking. That thing starts shooting up in the air.
Boo!
Hey, Lovey, where you watching the fireworks at? Okay, cool.
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me.
I said, where is Sam? Sam got the popping fireworks. Girl, they all went out to AZ, girl, and got some fireworks, and they over here letting them off right in the middle of the street. Yeah, that's the ones we watching. We watching SeaWorld, we watching everybody.
Oh, they got it out in the middle of the street. Shoot, I didn't see them go around and get it.
Yeah, okay, so then who's is them? That must be Qualcomm Stadium. Yeah.
It's still going.
Yeah, I'm looking at downtowns and the beaches in Coronado right now. Did you see that airplane that just flew through the fireworks?
Hopefully that one's not done and actually shoots up in the air.
I would have loved to be on that airplane, dude.
Happy 4th of
Your
July.
mom's a firebug. You know that, right? Fire. She's a firebug. She likes fire.
You mean a
Over
pyro?
there with y'all.
You mean a pyromaniac.
Firebug.
Look, these fools, they set my fireworks in the middle of the street too, right? So people gotta drive through. So it's people that stop and drive them to you. They set off the fires out to the street. Well, shit, will I see you tomorrow? You don't see me tomorrow? I was going to see you. Save us a couple flowers.
Let me know if they're getting ready to set up so I can turn
Start
around.
a weapon on home.
Okay, we took it out in the middle of the street. Brothers.
Yeah, for real. Who the best with the open Okay, love. Have fun. Enjoy. That is too funny. Man, I told Sam, I was like, don't.